supposed to be going down to the track tonight to watch Billy race. But this is our current situation. Which isn't good. It's raining. So hopefully the rain stops. That way we can go watch races. Otherwise I have nothing to do. So I'm here, the rain stopped. Hopefully Billy is racing still. But go check it out. How'd you get them to let us in?
About 3 minutes of a second difference. Tactics are very important in a winning match sprint as well. Fielding may not be as fast as your opponent, perhaps taken by surprise. Attack 20. Starts to tire out of the break. A new foursome at the front. Out of the pack, trying to bridge the gap. Number 195. 195 is Joshua Gibson of Katy, Texas. Busting out of the pack, going to try to bridge that gap more. From the pack, starting to accelerate it now. The sprint, 07-17, 83-02. 195 trying to bridge that gap, Joshua Gibson, but Aiden Carter has 3 points.
Last lap.
And William Walt, number 215, has 2 points. He's been
dangling for the last 3 laps on these
Nathan
two guys.
Roberts with 10 points. Roberts on the bell lap and coming in is going to be Nathan Roberts, Whitehall, Pennsylvania. T-Town Ely winning.
Yeah, rained out. Well, so much for that. Got rained out just before Billy's race, so just going to get dinner now. Guess that'll be the end of tonight. But yeah, bummer. That's what happens when bike racing's like NASCAR. Gotta cancel the race as soon as it starts raining. We're loaded up, we're ready to go to Boston. Look at that. 2 bikes, a couple sets of wheels, lots of baggage. Lots of baggage this weekend, lots of baggage.
Yeah.
And a driver!
Oh, look at that.
Can you believe that?
For free.
For free. Well, it's not really for free. It's the price for everything. So we're in New Jersey. The only state that still pumps your gas for you. See a little guy back there? Right here? There's our gas pumper. You lost! She was acting all big and tough when he was rolling up. And then as soon as he turned over on us, she hit the brakes. They drive so aggressive here. This car's got a little bumper on there. I think you gotta get one of those, Melissa. You can put it on the front and then on the back. Then you could just ran right into the guy. You went to got punked. This is our life driving to Boston. Traffic jam after traffic jam. How do you feel about that, driver?
Traffic jam.
She's kind of a cave woman. That's all she does. Traffic jam. What did we learn today?
Don't drive through New York.
Don't ever go near New York unless you're going in New York.
Like,
If you have no business being there, don't go there. Ever.
if you're not being paid to go to New York, don't go to New York.
We've been in the car for like 5 hours. I think 5 hours. 4 or 5 hours.
4.5.
4.5 hours. So we've been in the car for 4.5 hours, and we've only driven like actual distance from home, probably like 2 hours. And this is supposed to be a 4.5 hour drive. So lesson learned today is do not go near New York unless you're going to New York or someone's paying you to go near New York, because all it is traffic. Don't do it. New York City is just a trap. Don't do it. I'm not happy right now. Melissa's even more not happy.
Yeah, because I'm the one driving.
This is our life right now. Oh, yes. What a great time we're having. Right?
Much fun.
Not that dirty. Get the camera. Oh, hey.
Hey.
Can I take?
Yeah.
Is it rolling? It's rolling.
Okay, ladies.
Here we got these. Push these down.
Watch out with those.
Just got done pre-riding, so now I'm going in search of food. Melissa's already in here because she's an addict. Here goes nothing. Watching some NASCAR, but checked out the race course today. Pretty sweet. Just not very much wide open sections, just a bunch of tight, rocky, rooty, single track with you know, the good dirt, the dirt that has lots of traction. So a lot like the Wars courses we raced back home. So hopefully that'll play into my advantage. But cross my fingers. Maybe tomorrow I'll pull off a pretty good result. Hoping, but we'll see. Time will tell. But yeah, just wanted to check in quick. I'm just gonna kick back and relax. So that's it for today's vlog, or today's chapter of the vlog, because I'm doing it 2 a day, or 2 episodes, 2 days in 1 episode. But yeah, check back later.